In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background on Slack video call. We'll walk through this inside a direct message using Slack's huddle feature, which is Slack's lightweight way to jump into a quick call. Changing your background is a great way to reduce distractions, keep things professional, or add a touch of personality while you're on camera. First, head to a direct message. Open the conversation with the person you plan to meet with. You can do this from the sidebar in Slack's desktop app or web app. Using a direct message keeps the call focused and makes it easy to find the huddle controls in one place. Next, click on Huddle to start the call in that direct message. You'll see the huddle bar appear with your audio and video controls. The camera icon will be visible on the huddle interface. That's where your video settings live. Huddles are designed to be quick, so the controls are compact. Don't worry, they're all there. Now look for the small arrow next to the video icon. Click that arrow to open your video settings. This is your control center for camera-related options. If your device has multiple cameras, this is also where you can confirm the right one is selected. Keep the huddle window active so you can see a live preview as you make adjustments, and make sure your lighting is decent. Even the best background looks better with good light. From the video settings, choose Video Background. This is where you'll pick how you want your background to appear. You can typically select a blur effect to keep the focus on you, or choose from preset images provided by Slack. Depending on your setup and workspace permissions, you may also see options for custom images. Select the background you like, and watch the preview to confirm it looks natural. If you're aiming for a clean, distraction-free look, a subtle blur is often the most professional choice, and it usually performs well even on modest hardware. Remember, once you choose a background, Slack generally remembers your selection for future huddles until you change it again. If you don't see the video background option, it may be due to an outdated app version, device limitations, or workspace restrictions. Updating Slack, checking your system's camera permissions, and ensuring your graphics drivers are current usually resolves most visibility issues. Also, if performance dips, try switching from an image to a blur. That's it. Go to a direct message, start a huddle, open the video settings from the arrow next to the camera icon, and select your video background. Enjoy your next call with a cleaner, more polished look.